Hi, my friend. Don't just say angry. Today, I'll teach you 10 other ways to sound more native in English. Here they are. Mad, cross, annoyed, pissed, fuming, enraged, livid, seeing red, ready to explode, on the warpath. Now, listen and repeat after me. I'm mad and I can't relax. I'm cross, so don't push me. I'm annoyed and it's obvious. I'm pissed and I won't smile. I'm fuming about the mess. I'm enraged and I can't think. I'm livid, so stay back. I'm seeing red, right now. I'm ready to explode, honestly. I'm on the warpath today. Great job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.